What is going on, traders, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad to have you. On this channel, I go over key levels and catalysts that I'm focusing on, along with a watch list of stock tickers that I may trade. In this video, I'll be going over my watch list for the trading week of February 20th, 2023. Let's get to it. All right, first up, the catalyst. On Monday, the market is closed for President's Day. On Tuesday, we'll get the existing home sales for January. On Wednesday, we'll get the FOMC meeting minutes. And on Friday, we'll get the Consumer Sentiment Index for February. Let's go ahead and take a look at this week's earnings calendar. All right, so we have another full week of earnings, but the ones I'll be focusing on will be Walmart, Home Depot, Coinbase, Nvidia, Etsy, and Moderna. Let's get started with the watch list. All right, so the first stock we're going to look at is Walmart, the multinational retail company that was founded in 1962. Walmart is the largest retailer in the world with over 11,000 stores in 27 countries. In addition to its brick and mortar stores, Walmart also offers an online shopping platform where customers can browse and purchase products. Let's go ahead and take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now, the company reports earnings before the market opens on Tuesday, and right now we're sitting around 146.50. Now, looking at this chart, you can see there's some very defined levels that I'll be watching. First off, the bullish scenario. If Walmart reports good numbers and it starts to run, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is going to be around 151.50. This resistance point, you can see it tested it quite a few times in the past and has been rejected. But if it can get above this 151.50, I'm looking for Walmart to test its all-time high around $160. Now, on the bearish side, if Walmart reports bad numbers and it starts to sell off, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $134. You can see that this was a prior support quite a few times also, but if it can't hold 134, it could possibly drop all the way down to around $120.50. Going back to September of 2019, you can see this is a very strong support level. It even tested it a few times in 2022. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Home Depot, the home improvement retail chain that was founded in 1978. Home Depot operates over 2,200 stores across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here we have Home Depot, ticker symbol HD, pulled up on the weekly time frame. Now, the company reports earnings before the market opens on Tuesday, and right now we're sitting around $318. In order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold 318. If it can, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is 322. Get above that, 329. Get above that, 331.50. Get above that, 339.25. Now, if it can get above 339.25, I'm looking for it to test this resistance that became support, that became resistance again around $345.50. Now, on the bearish side, if Home Depot can't hold 318, first level I'm looking for it to test is 311. Can't hold that, 307. Can't hold that, the psychological level of 300. And if it can't hold that, down to around 293. All right. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Coinbase. Founded in 2012, is a digital currency exchange and wallet service that allows users to buy, sell, and store various cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, here's Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN, pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the company reports earnings after the market closes on Tuesday, and right now we're sitting around $65. Now, in order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $65. And if it can, I'm looking for it to run all the way up to around $77. Now, on the bearish side, there's a couple things to pay attention to. Now, the highest concentration of price action is around $63.50. If these are all buyers and Coinbase has bad earnings, it could cause it to sell off. All right, so with that being said, if Coinbase cannot hold $65, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is going to be $58.50. If it can't hold that, $45. And if it can't hold that, $41. Now, if we look left, we can see going all the way back to May of 2022, $41 has been a nice support area until it broke beneath it and got all the way down to around $31.50. All right, so $41 may be a strong support level, but if it can't hold that, all the way down to around $33.50. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. Up next is Nvidia, the technology company that specializes in the design and manufacture of graphic processing units and systems on a chip. Their products are used in the gaming, professional visualization, data center, and automotive markets. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here's Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA, pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now the company reports earnings after the market closes on Wednesday, and right now we're sitting around $214. Now in order for me to consider it bullish, Nvidia has to hold $211.50. If it can, the first level that I'm looking for to test is going to be around $228.50. If it can get above that, $235, get above that, $248.50. Now on the bearish side, if Nvidia cannot hold $211.50, the first level that I'm looking for to test is going to be this double bottom, almost triple bottom right here, around $206.75. Now if it can't hold that, down to the psych level of $200. If it can't hold that, $195, and if it can't hold that, all the way down to around $177.50. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. All right, and the last one we're going to look at is Moderna, founded in 2010, a biotechnology company that specializes in developing and commercializing messenger RNA therapeutics and vaccines. Let's take a look at its chart. All right, so here's Moderna, ticker symbol mRNA, pulled up on the 4-hour time frame. Now the company reports earnings before the market opens on Thursday, and right now we're sitting around $166.50. In order for me to consider it bullish, it has to hold $164.50, and if it can, the first level that I'm looking for it to test is $172.50. Get above that, $182.25. Get above that, $190.50. Get above that, $197. Now on the bearish side, if Moderna cannot hold $164.50, the first level I'm looking for it to test is going to be around $154. Can't hold that, all the way down to around $133. So keep these levels on your watch list and let's see what happens. And that is the end of the video. If you found value, smash that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I set up a website at blazestocks.com where I post my videos, screenshots of stocks that didn't make the video, along with personal finance articles. Check it out and bookmark it when you get a chance. Now here's wishing you a prosperous week of trading, and until next week, talk to you later.